You did good. Only thing was, when you started your turn, you were pulling back. You pulled us really close as we were coming up into a stall.
Yeah.
Got to keep that nose down. We have no power at that point. Rotate. It's a very dangerous situation because you've just had an emergency. And worse off, you've had an emergency right after takeoff and you're really close to the ground.
Yeah.
Making that decision to turn back to the runway is a very dangerous one. A lot of people don't make it. Why I say you have to be over 800 feet. Okay, go ahead and make a right. If you're not below over 800 feet, you absolutely will not make it back. But when you do that, you lose a lot of altitude in that steep turn.
Yeah, you do.
But if you do a shallow turn, you won't make it.
Yeah.
It's got to be a steep turn to make it all the way back around.
So I guess because
679 Mike Hotel, follow Cherokee traffic, a mile and a half base runway 28 right, clear touch and go. And would you like the same thing after your touch and go?
Actually, yeah, we would. Thank you very much. Clear 28 right after the Cherokee, 9 Mike Hotel.
679 Mike Hotel, roger, approved as requested after touch and go.
Thank you very much, sir, 9 Mike Hotel.
No problem.
yeah, I didn't want to fall, so I was pulling up, not realizing the stall thing.
Yeah. It's habit, trust me. It's one of those things you just gotta break. Kind of like your habit of not pushing the nose down.
Yeah, that one too.
Yeah. Okay, that guy's right there. So go ahead and pull our car feet, pull our power, and push the nose down. Why do you got so much trim in there?
I don't know.
Pull your power, pull your car feet. All the way back 1700, pitch down, 10 degrees flaps.
There's like, oh, there he is.
Hey, right turn. Okay, the other thing is we're getting into nighttime landing. Nighttime landings will have a tendency to flare too high. You're afraid of getting too close to the ground, so you flare higher than you need to. Not you're flaring more, but you're flaring sooner, so you're not close enough to the ground. Hold on. Give him some time. Again, we gotta land at this end of the runway. So give me full flaps.
Full flaps.
And slow us all the way down.
Cherokee 26 November, turn left at taxiway Golf 4, runway 23. No delay if able, cross runway 28 left, then contact ground 118.22. Have a good night.
Turn left on 23, no delay, cross 28 left, contact ground 26 November, good night.
Wind 3404.
More power, look at your airspeed. Keep your nose down. Okay, pitch. Hold that, hold it, hold it, hold it right there, hold it. Flaps up, car feet off.
Rotate.
Getting a little slow on your final. Okay, a little more right rudder.
9 Mike Hotel, runway 10 left, clear for the option, accept stop and go.
Roger, clear for the option, except stop and go. 9 Mike Hotel, thank you.
No problem.
More to the right. Pull it. Turn. And 9 Mike Hotel's inbound.
Roger.
Much better. Much better. Airspeed's under control. Everything's perfect. Head right for the red before the runway so we have time to line up. Keep us to 65 knots. Okay, start getting us ready for landing. Perfect. Hey, Tower, we're going to make this one a full stop.
Cessna 9 Mike Hotel, roger. Wind is 0103.
Thank you very much. 9 Mike Hotel. Hey, use flaps if necessary. Use them all if you want. Get us on the center line. Wait. Pull. Not bad. Hold it. Okay. That nose
Cessna
up.
9 Mike Hotel, you can turn right at taxiway. Charlie, cross runway 28 left and contact ground. Have a good night.
Going off at Charlie, and thank you very much. 9 Mike Hotel, you have an excellent night too.
No problem. You guys have a great night too.
Perfect. That was beautiful. Something like that is a good thing to stop it on.
Say cross 28 left.
Yeah, even when it said cross. Go ahead, cross. Beautiful.
Hands are all sweaty. It was much better than our first attempt at emergency stuff.
Yep. Montgomery ground, Cessna 739 Mike Hotel, 28 left at Charlie to Gibson.
Cessna 739 Mike Hotel, Montgomery